Hello, my name is Ernest, also known as Mr. NASDAQ, co-founder of the Profit Room and also the Futures Trading Club. So what is futures, right? What is the futures market and why do you need to learn how to trade it? Well, futures is a global market. It's the second largest market next to the Forex market. So a little bit of basics around futures, right? Futures are contracts or agreements to acquire or to sell a security at a certain price, right, in the future. So when you trade futures, you usually got to go through a futures exchange. One of the biggest ones is the CME Group. So Google CME Group, Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So futures are similar to like options. So I'm gonna get a little bit nerdy with you. Those who understand options, you both have a buyer and you both have a seller. So that when the future contract expires, the buyer is required to acquire the underlying asset from the seller, right? They're committed. So for example, it's just like, hey, you're buying oil, right? If you don't sell that contract, they say a truck could come to your house and bring you almost like 1,000 barrels of oil. Can that happen? Possibly. Does it often happen? No, at all. Because we're trading futures. So let me just give you a little background. Futures can be horticultural. So that's wheat, soybean, right? Oil, natural gas, and also it can be indexes like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ. Hence the name, Mr. NASDAQ. So when we trade futures, it's a very volatile market because it's a global market, right? It's not just like a regular stock market, like the US stock market. When you're trading futures, we're trading things that's used all over the globe, right? Such as wheat we talked about. Then there's like corn. Then there's cotton, right? When we make clothes. So no matter if you're in Asia, if you're in Europe, United States, Australia, you're using these products. And the market is open over 23 hours, 6 days a week. Great market. Now, especially when you trade this market, it gets you even more involved with the economy. You see how gas prices may go up, also food prices may go up, or clothing prices may go up. If you're watching the futures market, right, you can see the different changes. You also can see that with different types of meats or coffees. So like, who trades this market? I just mentioned like coffee. You got companies like Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, things of that nature. They buy these coffee beans ahead of time, right? There's many other companies, right? We have wheat. Everything we use wheat and corn in, different types of foods. So you got big players, big investors that are buying these futures contracts ahead of time, buying and selling. It's just like any other market, supply and demand. We trade a lot of horticultural futures as well, with a lot of oil, right? Natural gas, a lot of gold, right? When you see how this works, it gets you even closer to the economy and it makes your stock trading even better. And this is what we teach people how to do at theprofitroom.com. We have an amazing futures program. We got the Futures Trading Club. We have people from all ages trading futures. It can be a very strategic market, but with us showing you the right way to do it, you can be consistently profitable. Also, there's no pattern day trading law. Correct. You don't need $25,000 to be in and out of trading futures. You could start trading futures with only $50. Our average student may only start with only $2,000 or $3,000 and make consistent profits, right? Easy to make $500 or $1,000 a day trading futures. So if you want to learn more about trading futures, come over to theprofitroom.com. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button on our website so you can get more information like this. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and family and look forward to talking to you soon. As always, education, application, and success at theprofitroom.com.